Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and I'm the founder of Cone. Today I will show you how to choose a foundation color from our Cone color system. As we created more than 100 foundation shades in very mathematically system, for me it was very important to know where is the skin color in the color wheel. After a very long research, I realized that all skin colors in the world are in the range of orange color. So when we are talking about a yellowish shade, we are always talking about an orange color with more yellowish pigments, and when we are talking about a reddish skin color, we are talking about orange color with more reddish pigments. As I understood that the foundation colors are in the orange color range, Cone created a mathematically color system with over 100 skin tones. Now every woman on earth can find finally the right foundation shade in our color system. As you can see, all skin colors are in the orange range. This line, what you see, is the same line as here, is the orange line. Every time when you speak about a neutral foundation color, it's mean always not too yellowish and not too reddish. But this means directly that this is the pure orange shade. When you move more to the yellowish color, your foundation color become to be more yellowish. In this way we created 3 yellowish lines. First yellowish line, 1Y. The color 1Y has a small amount of yellowish pigments. It's like the first step of yellowish. In Cone foundation system, the 2Y line is the pure yellow color. When we move more into yellow color, we will find the third step of the yellow. It's 3Y. 3Y, it's more olive yellow, because when you put in a foundation more yellowish pigments, the foundation looks more greenish on the skin, more olive. From the neutral color value, moving more into direction red, you'll find the 3 reddish lines. We found out that when you put reddish pigments in a foundation, you can get more darker colors, because red is more dark than yellow. So the yellowish shades cannot go really dark, because it's become on the skin very ashy. So if you mix more black or blue pigments with yellow, you will get a very ashy color. That means when you want to get a very beautiful saturated foundation in a very nice and healthy look, you need a slightly reddish foundation. And in that way, the darker shades are more in the reddish line. The reddish lines are very nice for the European people with more cool skin undertone, but also for people of color, as if you have more red in the foundation, it becomes to be more darker. So you get to have many choices of colors by adding a little bit of red pigment. Red is making the color more saturated. It's making looking the skin more healthy. My model has a very beautiful golden skin undertone. That means that you will need more yellowish foundation. The yellowish line is 2Y, and the 2Y is our pure yellow line. You find in this line very golden skin undertones. Usually the golden skin undertones have Indian people. If you want to choose a foundation color for Asian people, you can choose the line 3Y. This line is more olive yellow.
I'm applying for my model today the color 2Y55. I'm applying the foundation just on the face, as usually when the foundation shade fits perfectly to the skin color tone on the face, you don't need to apply it on the neck. Now you can see the difference between left and right side of the face. The foundation evens out perfectly the skin color tone.